say for me finish me to nesting can sleep with you, okay?
Yeah, but what were you saying about Bobby?
Bobby's snoring. Bobby's snoring to you.
Bobby always snores. Can you hear him?
Yeah, I hear him.
Do you hear him, Mommy?
Oh, Bobby just hears more and more and more and more.
More and more and more.
Yeah.
Really loud?
Yeah.
Is that why you don't sleep with me no more?
Yeah, you do.
Huh?
Yeah, I do.
You haven't slept with me for a couple of days now.
And now you do because you're the best to just some food.
I'm the best in cooking?
Yeah.
No way.
And Bobby
For
just,
reals?
And Bobby just took the food bad. Like,
Bobby doesn't do it good?
no.
You sure?
You am today is dead.
Am I the best?
Yeah.
Or the best?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, and Bobby the bad. Yeah, because Bobby today the food bad.
How bad is it, Mommy?
It's been because it's bad.
Like that?
Yeah.
Will you say it to his face? Will you say that to Bobby's face?
Because Bobby keeps doing that to me too.
What does Bobby do to you?
Bobby all the time snores to me.
He snores?
Yeah.